auspicious event. May we give a big round of applause?
Hangi man banne ka safar was very lovely, very great.
True, sir.
Can't forget the day when she came as a student like you, and see, now she's running her own institute and also she is in the school as a teacher. What a proud moment. मेरे दोस्त आप हमेशा इनकी बात सुनते रहते हो ना? यही है वो.
Yes, so guys, meeting you all after a long period of time, and for some, I'm meeting for the first time with you all. Very heartiest good afternoon to one and all present over here. I would say the day is very, very, very magnanimous today. Everyone, do you understand this thing?
Yes.
Wonderful. So I need your cooperation for this day. Before we proceed the event, I want to, with my dear friends, want to show you something. Are we ready?
Yes.
Are we? Fully roll on.
Yes.
I have not forgotten any idioms, any phrases, any proverbs told by Sir. Guys, everyone, so you also remember all these things. Witty mind. Oh, I have no brain. Yeah. You without brain. Seriously, don't you know why this day is so special for you? No, I don't know. You tell. Oh, people will be telling. Your choice. Guys, do you know why the day is so special?
Yes.
Who knows? Raise your hands, everyone.
Come on, everyone.
Raise everyone. Many of you know about it, and some must not be knowing. Oh, see the little girl? Please stand up.
Gimme.
Why the day is so special?
Sir, because Sir's birthday.
Because it is Sir's birthday. Oh, you are absolutely. I don't have candy today for you. I would have given it the next year. Fine. But she is absolutely right, Mary. So, for this day, may we start the day with
Okay, without wasting time, Sana, we connected?
Yes, sir.
Neha excited?
Yes, sir.
Students in Neha's style. Neha, we require your permission. Because you're very bubbly, very chubbly, and charismatic. When we start the class, how we start? With your... Yes, attack.
So thank you, sir. Give the golden opportunity. I can say this side. I can say invitation. Are you excited?
This is your stage syndrome. Attack.
So give a huge round of applause.
1, 2, 3, and start. Thank you. God bless you. Certainly.
Shubhangi ma'am, are you ready?
Of course.
Sakshi di, are you
Aman.
ready?
Yashika.
Sorry. Yashika ma'am, are you ready?
Yashika.
Miss Kunitun ma'am, too beautiful, too elegant, just looking like me.
मुझे लगा था कि गर्मी हो जाएगी मेघा, we managed to
Yes, sir.
reach your exhaustion. Very well done.
Yes,
So
sir.
1, 2, thank you, Neha, Shweta, for this beautiful way. Guys, we have to listen to their lovely, lovely song and pay attention and pay heed to the beautiful ladies.
Yes, sir.
Behind back, ready?
Yes, sir.
Beta, have you changed your heart? Okay, heart. 1, 2, let's go.
Wait, wait.
1, 2, 3, attack!
Firstly, thank you, sir, for giving me wonderful chance. Good afternoon, all and sundry. This side Shweta. So before starting our performance, firstly we want to wish our respected sir happy birthday, sir.
Thank you.
May God bless you, blanket of heaven, blessing and happiness and good health.
Thank you so much. Health. ये सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. The most cardinal, the most prominent, the most pivotal. ये realize हुआ after lockdown, after COVID. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Sona.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. With all and sundry's permission. Himanshu beta. Arre.
Come on, everyone. So, guys, everyone, are you all excited?
Yes!
Not like this. Are you all excited?
Yes!
So, guys, can you focus towards singers from the back? Come on. Now, so with you.
बिल्कुल.
So, guys, again, the uncle get you all.
Yes!
1, 2, 3, and start.
प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है।
Nobody will sing.
प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है। जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है। दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। तू धार है नदिया की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ। तू मेरा सहारा है, मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ। आँखों में समुंदर है, आशाओं का पानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।
Now, everybody, give a huge round of
Guys, everyone, may I have your attention? Yes! People loud, everyone. Are you all excited? How's the Josh, everyone? Hope you are ready for our next performance, everyone. Now, let us welcome Miss Fatima and Mr. Abdul for Shani, everyone.
Come on, everyone.
Yes, sir. Sanju, smiles ready?
Yes, sir.
So, guys,
Wait. Timing. Students excited? Khushi beta.
Yes, sir.
What will you be hearing?
Sir, the shairis of Miss Fatima and Mr. Abdul.
Shairis make life more meaningful?
Yes,
In
sir.
what ways?
Sir, in ways of love and affection, that how much they love to you.
Spreads tranquility saves the nation from
Yes.
miseries.
Yes.
Yes.
शायरी ही है जो बचा के रखती है.
Yes, sir.
फातिमा अब्दुल, थैंक यू बेटा. ना बेटा किसे रहेंगे?
Yes, sir.
Attack!
So guys, everyone, may I have your attention? Yes. Are you all ready for the shairi? Yes. But before that, sir, I would like to say very happiest birthday to you on this day, sir.
Thank you, Fatima.
I'm sorry for all my mistake, whatever I have
कोई
done.
बात नहीं. There is no sorry and thank you. It keeps on happening बेटा. Parents and teachers, ये चलता रहता है.
Indeed, sir.
I got to know after 30. We should never be leaving the hands of those who have a courage to, say things on our face. कभी भी नहीं. हमें मीठे लोगों से बचना है.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
One, no, don't get me wrong. 1, 2, 3 and start.
So my first shairi goes like, Guru ka guys, may I have your attention? Yes. So my first shairi goes like, गुरु का दर्जा सबसे ऊपर होता है, उनका साया हमेशा सर पर होता है, सीख दी जो जिंदगी भर काम आए, ऐसे शिक्षक को दिल से प्रणाम आए.
Come on, everybody. Be loud.
Students, please. Sumit, Mr. Abdul is going to be reciting the poetry.
कड़वी हो गई थी जिंदगी और रास्ते उलझ गए थे जिंदगी के. कड़वी हो गई थी जिंदगी और रास्ते उलझ गए थे जिंदगी के. जूते सीधे कर दिए थे उस्ताद के एक दिन. उसका सिरा ये मिला कि मसले हल हो गए थे जिंदगी.
Come on, now everybody kindly listen to Miss Fatima. Now.
So my next शायरी goes like, आपने सिखाया चलना, गिरकर फिर संभलना, कि आपने सिखाया चलना, गिरकर फिर संभलना, हर मुश्किल से मुस्कुराकर आगे निकलना. आपकी हर बात दिल को छू जाती है, शिक्षक की मूरत भगवान सी नजर आती है.
Come on, everyone. Now, Mr. Abdul.
Sumit, I need your help. Yes, sir, sure, sir.
So my second point poetry for my lovely dear Rajat sir.
Thank you, बेटा.
हम शायद याद न रख पाए हर चीज जो आपने सिखाई है. हम शायद याद न रख पाए जो हर चीज जो आपने सिखाई है, पर ये बात हमेशा याद रहेगी कि जिंदगी आपने बनाई है. पर ये बात हमेशा याद रहेगी कि जिंदगी आपने बनाई है. हर रोज नहीं कह पाता पर जब कहता हूँ तो दिल से कहता हूँ. किताबें नहीं जिंदगी आपने पढ़ाई है. ये यूँ कहूँ कि जिंदगी आपने बनाई है. हम कहाँ थे उस जगह के काबिल जो जगह आपने हमें दिखाई है. थैंक यू एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स के लिए सर. बिना मांगे जो लेसन्स आपने दिखाए हैं. सिर्फ टीचर नहीं आप फ्रेंड बने, हर मुश्किल का एंड बने. थैंक यू डियर सर जो आपने दिलो जान से हमारे साथ खड़े होकर हमारे साथ किया.
Done. Correct, sir. Wow. Guys, we say wow. Not like it. Wow.
Fatima, Sana, I would like to say that we want support from the backside also. Kindly help Sana. What she's saying, wow. Wow.
नो सर।
अटैक!
सर देखना मैं स्टेप पे कितना हार्ड दिख रहा हूँ और इनको लगता मैं चिर्राग घिस रहा हूँ। अंदर भूख कितनी है पूरा पहाड़ निपटा दूँ। मुझे बाजार की समझ मैं व्यापार सीखता हूँ। आंसू देने वाला शायद से समंदर लेकर बैठा सर को बुरा लगता है जब मैं लाचार दिखता हूँ। गाड़ी चलानी आती नहीं मुझे सब चलाना आता है। जब मिडिल क्लास लड़का एक दिन दलदला ले आता है जीत के ही हवा रोंगटे खड़े पानी में। पूरा देखा पूरा सुना पूरा किया नहीं। काफी रोया माँ की दुआ कभी रुका नहीं। जितना लिया दुगना दिया किया गुना नहीं। सभी का प्यार सबके बिना हुआ पूरा नहीं। पूरा देखा पूरा सुना पूरा किया नहीं। जितना लिया दुगना दिया किया गुना नहीं। काफी रोया माँ की दुआ कभी रुका नहीं। सभी का प्यार सबके बिना हुआ पूरा नहीं। काफी बदल सा गया था मेरा ही भटक सा गया था बर्बावे। अब लगता हम सपनों में हैं हो राहे सुनी पड़ी थी निगाहें शिखर पे अड़ी थी बर्बावे। अब लगता सब कदमों में है देना है साथ तो फिर साथ देना फलक तक का। मेरी हर बात पे ना मुस्कुरा और पलक झपका। सर बोले हम तेरा रवैया थोड़ा अलग लगता के सर तो सारे उनसे अच्छा कोई नहीं समझ सकता। दिल से सबके दूर रह के सबके दिल में घर किया अदा पार फिर भी सबके दिल में घर किया। दुनिया की नजरों में रोने वाला मिट्टी बस्ती मर्द क्या वो नमक लेके आया सारे बर्फ की जगह। हमने बहुत समझाया कि तुम में तरस नहीं बचा। तूने झूठी कसमें खा ली अपने माँ बाप की। फिर मेरे भाई तेरे गलत में कुछ गलत नहीं बचा। मुझे मूवी देखना पसंद नहीं मैं कुछ बना रहा हूँ। बोले शौहरत पैसा दलदल है तो मैं डुबकी लगा रहा हूँ। कभी रेली कभी वो कभी रुड़की मचा रहा हूँ। म्यूजिक मुझे बनाया ना कि म्यूजिक बना रहा हूँ। पढ़ने की उम्र में रहता दूरिया समेत सब कुछ छोड़ बचा अब केवल सुविधा का शेर। अब मैं इतना हूँ जरूरी जैसे सूर्या का केच। पूरा देखा पूरा सुना पूरा किया नहीं। काफी रुआ माँ की दुआ तभी रुका नहीं। जितना लिया दुगना दिया किया गुना नहीं। सभी का प्यार सबके बिना हुआ पूरा नहीं। पूरा देखा पूरा सुना पूरा किया नहीं। जितना लिया दुगना दिया किया गुना नहीं। काफी रुआ माँ की दुआ तभी रुका नहीं। सभी का प्यार सबके बिना हुआ पूरा नहीं। काफी बदल सा गया था मेरा ही भटक सा गया था बर्बाद। अब लगता हम सपनों में है हो राहे सुनी पड़ी थी निगाहें शिखर पे अड़ी थी बर्बावे। अब लगता सब सपनों में है।
तोबा 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 नो Okay, so guys, we are having one wonderful mimicry artist. So I am going to call one and all. Where is that person? Mr. Vivek
Attack! मजा आएगा। Let's go to the haters. क्या क्लास इन मॉर्निंग में सुपर। बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन द विंडो में, बेटा खिड़की खोलो। ओपन फास्ट।
Open, open, open.
Open.
आर यू एक्साइटेड? आर यू कनेक्टेड?
Now wait, everyone.
बेटा बताना होता क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई। So today we will be revising tenses. So raise your hand.
Raise your hands, everyone.
Present indefinite tense. Miss Varsa.
Thank you, sir, giving me this chance. I would like to say that present indefinite tense, the activity which we do on the daily basis, this called a present indefinite tense. Formation goes like subject plus verb की first form plus SCS plus object.
Yes, beta. Guys, give a round of applause. Present continuous.
Sir, may I?
Very nice.
Nobody
else.
Yes, sir. Guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
Sir, present continuous goes like the activity which is going on right now, and the formation goes like subject plus is a noun plus verb की first form plus ing plus object. And my example goes like I am eating the food.
Yes, beta. Present perfect. Miss Khushi.
Yes. So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
So sir, the present perfect tense is the activity which has recently finished and the formation goes like subject plus has a plus verb third form plus object, and my example goes like I have eaten the food.
Yes, beta. Give a huge round of applause.
Wait.
Present perfect continuous.
Yes sir.
Prachi.
Yes, sir. So thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. So present perfect continuous means the activity which started in the past,
Wait. Activity started in the past.
still going in the past,
Is
still going in the present,
still going in the present.
may or may not sure about the future.
Not sure about the future.
Future.
Guys, with me. Started in the past. Still going in the present. Not sure about the future. Guys, give a huge round of applause. Guys, today we will be doing a GD on the topic of birthday party. So raise your hand fast.
Wait everyone.
Wait, who is my starter? Woman, you can?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Go Prachi. Guys, everyone. But first I create the base, I speak 40 to 50 lines and then I'll start. What's the rectification? Beta, birthday party. How boys celebrate their birthday party and how girls celebrate their birthday party.
Yes, sir.
Do we love to go in the boys' birthday party?
Yes, sir.
Yes, start beta.
Yes, sir. So thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. A very wonderful afternoon to each and everyone who are present over here. So, sir, if I talk about the girls' birthday party, so they are very much sophisticated, so much aesthetic, I could say. The decoration is there on the other hand. If I talk about boys' birthday party, it is
Beta,
so
wait,
much.
wait. Akansa, repeat her last 2 lines.
Yes sir, thank you so much sir for this wonderful opportunity. She stated that girls' birthday party are the most aesthetic and the most best part.
बेटा जब तुम सोचोगे तुम सेफ हो सर जब ही पकड़ते हैं
Yes, sir. Sir, do you know girls are having so much pure soul. So by starting their birthday, first of all, they will be going to the worship for the temple, sir. Sir, do you know they celebrate very much auspiciously their birthday?
Beautiful.
Sir, do you know on the other hand, boys tear their clothes and they
Good
celebrate.
job. Guys, everyone. Sana,
Yes sir.
बेटा good job is my patent. Make your words.
Yes sir.
Good job is my patent. छोटे बच्चों में से स्टैंड अप. बेटा फातिमा जब बच्चे बोलेंगे तब क्लास अच्छी चलती है. बेटा राजवी नवीन तो बोल देंगे. बेटा डेवलपिंग स्पीकर को ट्राई करो. दे बेटा.
Thank you sir for
वेट बेटा कौन सा वीडियो बना उसके पापा को भेजूंगा. birthday party.
My foundation! Yes! So sir, my perception was like, I like the boys' birthday party because I am a boy only and sir, and sir, once upon a time I go to my friend's birthday party so then I
बस बेटा, आज के लिए इतना ही। बेटा फोकस, पीछे से फोकस। बच्चे 2 हो या 200 नजर सब पे आती है। और बेटा एक बात ध्यान रखना, जितने भी छोटे बच्चे हैं बड़े बच्चों से दूर रहेंगे। बेटा तुम्हारा इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है। बेटा बड़े बच्चे दूर रहेंगे। तो बेटा बड़े बच्चे छोटे बच्चे से ज्यादा कैंडिडेट ना हो। तुम्हारी इज्जत तुम्हारे हाथों में है, जो मेरा पड़ोसी आज तक नहीं समझ पाया। Tinku Bhaiya has a habit of, joking, cuddling. When a kiddo and the kiddos when reply back to Tinku Bhaiya, he feels bad. So the respect is in elders' hands. बेटा वेट्स माधीपुर। बेटा आ गया। बेटा मंडे को बीमार पड़ रहा है तू? तुम्हारी हैबिट है ना 3 दिन बाद आने के बाद फिर बीमार पड़ते हो। बेटा पहले बता देते मुझे। बेटा टाइम का ना सीखो। कल रात को छुट्टी होने के बाद राजवीर के पापा का फोन आया मेरे पास। बेटा मैं आवाज पहचान नहीं पाया, उस पर लिखा था राजवीर पापा 2। Something else is coming. Soon something else is coming. बेटा सना फातिमा, बेटा अगैसन लाओ अपनी आवाज में। अगर अगैसन नहीं होगा ये बच्चे मेरे सर पे चढ़ जाएंगे। बेटा अगैसन होना जरूरी है। बेटा आज की क्लास क्या बढ़िया था। In morning we prepare the food, in afternoon we eat the food, and in evening we digest the food. Super, super. बेटा आज इवनिंग में एक्टिविटी से I have never taught you guys to this energy. I have never taught you guys this, but it's okay. Back.
Come on, everybody.
you with love. और ये गया है मेरे पे, yes please. Say hello to everybody.
Wait, wait, wait.
Big hand, everyone, come on!
यही फिल्म में देखता है.
Yes, sir. So guys, everyone, may I have your attention?
Yes!
No, no, with me. Hip, hip. Hooray! Not like this. Hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip. Hooray! Let's do opposite. When I say hip, hip, you all have to say hooray. When I say hooray, you all have to say hip, hip. Have you understood, everyone?
Yes!
With me. Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hooray, hooray. Hooray, hooray. Give a thunderous round of applause.
दिल की सदा है मेरी ये दुआ है जागो मैं जागो आपको नींद आ जाए लबों की हंसी दे आपको रब खुशी दे आप पे गमों की कभी आज ना आए टूट के जो गिरता है वो साज होता है
Come on, everyone. Wait, 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 wait. So guys, everyone, may I have your attention? Again, thank you all. So guys, everyone, do you want to see another performance on the stage?
Alright. Students, are you excited? This was not a mistake, this was just a trailer. She will be singing a full 100% lyrical song. The song which she has been singing quite a while in the English Cafe. And we all love that song. Ye raat, and Palika now also sing it. She also loves this song, I'm telling you. Ye raat mein ye mausam. Gaogi na? Stage ko sambhala.
Wait now, everyone.
Are we good to go? 1, 2, 3, start, brother.
ये क्या बात है
Very good.
की जाने में कि हम खो गए
Don't sing.
ये बाहों में बाहें ये बहकी निगाहें लो आने लगा
Beautiful.
जिंदगी का मजा ये आते ये मौसम लगेगा
ये होता है गाना.
ये चंचल हवा आते ये मौसम लगेगा किनारा ये चंचल हवा
चल हवा शाबाश. Lovely. ये मौसम What is that? But this is the song which we were expecting.
So. Listen me carefully, everybody. Again, may I get you all? Are you on high octane? How the George? How the George? How the energy? So guys, right now I have called Miss Anjali. Anjali, hey Anjali. So what you are going to do on the stage? Are you going to do dance on the stage? So guys, everybody, are you ready? Guys, I want your full energy. Are you ready? I would like to ask from you about journey of yours. Like when you were in our institute, did you celebrate the birthday of Ganesh sir? And how was it? Can you explain it with everybody's attention now?
Guys, may I have your attention, please?
Yes.
Each and every corner? Yes. So guys, here this side, Adil, a very mesmerizing
No.
afternoon to all of you. Here this side, Adil. As you all know, I am an old student of Mr. Rajesh Sharma sir.
Fourth
But-
student.
But the most beautiful thing of Mr. Rajesh Sharma sir is that he still thinks that I am still a part of English Cafe family. That's the beauty of Rajesh Sharma sir.
Yes.
And for all of you, he is your sir. But for me, he is my bhaiya.
Correct. We all know about it.
Because bhaiya knows me from this to that.
Correct. Correct.
You know what? When I joined English Cafe, I didn't join for English.
English.
He used to taught me political science, sociology, psychology. You know, he used to mock me why you are not coming in English Cafe. Why you are, क्या कहते हैं वो, सर मारना.
Wow, guys.
Political
Before
side में जो सर मार रहा है. Come in English Cafe and show your talent. So I joined English Cafe. Sir pushed me so much hard.
correct.
He put
Focus.
his soil and his blood on me
Stop the
to
cut for you.
improve me, to develop me.
Correct.
That he is the reason for my inward flowering. Inward flowering means the development from the inside.
Inside.
Your personality development matters.
Correct. Correct.
Everybody can speak in English. Everybody. It is very easy to speak in English.
Correct.
But it is not easy to express in English.
Okay, Mr. Adil, I would like to ask one question from you. So, guys, everyone, are you connected? Yes. Yes, some students, they do think about that. English is just a course. What you would like to teach them? Which kind of lesson you will be telling them that what is English and what is the important and essential, what we say, important elements of English. Sorry for it. Now.
Guys, if I talk about that, English is a course, so I will go harsh on you. If you think that English is a course, then the door is there. You can go. Here, we don't teach you a course of English. No. Here, you can develop your personality.
Correct.
Here, you can...
Yes, straight. Yes.
Guys, please be focused. Guys, trust me. English is not just a course. It's a feeling of expression. Whenever you express your feelings in English,
Correct.
you will feel excited. Wow, what I am doing. I am expressing my feelings in English. And that is very true feelings. Whenever you express your feelings in English.
Correct.
But yes, most of them think that English is a course, but trust me, you have to give your 2 years for English Cafe. Then you can become something, not a perfect one. Something you can express, you can speak, or you can counsel a student.
Thank you, Mr. Adil. Come on, everyone.
In your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place goes much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. This place, there's no hurt or sorrow. So love, there are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a better place, make a little place, make a better place.
Make a better place to live.
The world, make it a better place.
Better.
For you and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living.
There are people dying if you care enough.
Little space for you.
Little space for you and
If you want to know why, there is love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only kills what just forgiving. Every time we shall see, in this place we cannot feel. Love, feel or dread, in this place we stop Poppy, Christy, and start living. Then I see you mirror with glass enough for growing. Make a better world. Make a better world. Make it a better place for you and for me.
Guys, please.
Everyone. Listen, everyone. Please focus. Make a better world for you and for me.
कहना क्या चाहते हो? Come here, beta. All those who are equally working hard to make this building to reach the pinnacle of success.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. I owe
Sana,
everything to you till my doomsday.
Sana,
Sana, come here. Fatima,
Fatima,
come here. Rocky bhai. Yes, sir. Bhaiya, KGF party. Aaj se we will not be calling him Sumit. We will be calling him Rocky. So 1, 2, 3, and. चलो बच्चों